In today's video, we're going to talk about image conversion. What is it, why it matters, and the best free online tools you can use to convert image file quickly and easily. Have you ever downloaded an image and realized it is in the wrong format? Maybe you need a PNG with transparency, but the file was JPG. Or maybe a website asked for WEBP, but your image was saved as PNG. Sometimes designers need SVG for logos, photographers need JPG for smaller file size, and the print professionals might prefer TIFF for high quality output. That's where image conversion comes in. By the end of this video, you will understand what file conversions mean, the difference between popular image formats, and the best free website to convert your images online without installing software. So, if that sounds useful, let's get started. So, first, what exactly is file conversion? File conversion simply means changing file from one format to another. For images, that could mean turning an JPG into PNG or PNG into WEBP, or even converting an image into SVG, depending on the tool and the type of image. Different image formats are designed for different purposes. Let's go through the most common one. First one, JPG or JPEG. JPG is one of the most widely used image formats. It is best for photos and everyday images because it compresses files while making them smaller and easier to upload or share. It is best for photographers, social media upload, websites that need smaller image size. It doesn't support transparency and some quality is lost during compression. Second one, PNG. PNG is another very popular image format. It is the best known for supporting a transparent background, which make it useful for logos, stickers, icons, and screenshots. Best for transparent images, graphic, screenshots, design needing high clarity. Downside, PNG files are usually larger than JPG file. WEBP. WEBP is a modern image format developed for the web. It offers good quality with a smaller file size, which helps websites load faster. So, best for websites, blogs, online stores, improving web performance. Downside, some older software may not fully support it. SVG stands for Vector Graphics. Unlike JPG or PNG or SVG, it is a vector format, meaning it can scale to any size without losing quality. Best for logos, icon, illustrations, web graphic. Downside, not ideal for regular photos. PMP and TIFF. PMP and TIFF are formats known for high image quality. PMP is often uncompressed and can result in very large file. TIFF is commonly used in printing, publishing, and professional photography because it preserves detail very well. Best for print work, archiving, professional editing. Downside, large file size, not ideal for quick web use. After we know about the difference between picture extension, we will talk about best free online tool you can use to convert image file. These tools are great because you don't need to download heavy software. You just upload your image, select the output format, and convert it. Number 1, Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert is one of the most popular online file conversion websites. It supports a huge number of formats, including JPG, PNG, WEBP, GIF, BMP, TIFF, SVG, and many others. What makes Cloud Convert great is that it gives you more control than many other converters. In some cases, you can adjust settings like width and height, quality, compression. Why people like it? Clean interface, support many file types, work for image, videos, audios, and documents. No software installations need. Number 2, ConvertU. ConvertU is another excellent free tool for conversion image file online. It's very beginners friendly. This process is simple. Upload your file, choose the new format, click convert, download the results. ConvertU also supports files from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, direct URL. Why people like it? Easy to use, fast conversion, support cloud storage, work on desktop and mobile. Best for beginners who want a quick and simple image converter. I Love Image is well known for image editing and optimization tool. In addition to conversion, it also offers features like resize image, compress image, crop image, watermark image, remove background, and some workflow. It converts. Our tools are simply and useful for everyone. Why people like it? Very user-friendly, focused especially on image, include extra editing tools, work well for quick projects. Best for people who want image conversion plus basic image editing in one place. Number 4, Zamzar. Zamzar has been around for a long time and is a trusted name in online file conversion. It supports many image formats and has a very straightforward interface. You can upload your file, select a format, and convert it. Why people like it? Reliable, simple design, support many file types beyond images, useful for occasional conversion. Best for users looking for straightforward and trusted converter.